Hey, good morning. Guys, is it worth opening a short position right now? Solana. Look at Solana. It's grown 40% in the last few days. Let's check Bitcoin. It's grown about even almost 30% in the last few days. From these levels, if a coin is so pumped, and here we have a rising wedge forming. Do you guys know what a rising wedge is? Something like this. Usually we drop down from this. Look at how many levels we have. Here, here, here. There were only green candles here. It would be useful if they were filled at least to the 0.618 level or 0.5. Here you can see the Fibonacci extension, either 0.618 or here to the previous, let's say, peaks. The previous peaks on Bitcoin were 67,000. So we can easily close the short position in that area. Wait, let me lower this a bit. So that 0.618, 0.686. These Fibonacci levels on the previous peaks here, right? Such local peaks. This is the 4-hour chart. Click, click, click. We're also waiting for the RSI on the 4-hour chart to drop below, for example, 30. Around 30, below 30. That could also be a good moment to close the short position. Look, so I'll mark it here on the RSI now. Since I have the RSI indicator open, I'll mark it right here. Maybe we're waiting for something like this, for that here. And similarly, look at Solana, also the 4-hour Solana. Let's do it like this. It's even more pumped up here, as you saw. We're waiting for the RSI to, drop down low here, until the RSI drops down low here. Then I'll close it, or exactly at these 0.618 levels. Wait, here, where we had those previous peaks. Oh, even here. Well, I can even lower it a bit more at this moment, but then as we see how the situation develops, I'll probably close it sooner. But you can see the profits here. I don't know, maybe $2,000 here, maybe $1,000 there. I already grabbed $1,200 a day too, but that was on a long. I'm still set up here. Look, I'm trading with this. I'm using the Lunavio strategy, right? Meaning I'm adding to the position, right? Like the higher we go, the bigger the addition. And then I close the position if we go in the opposite direction. I'm just reminding you, ladies and gentlemen, that investing is very risky. You can lose your entire capital. This video is not intended for people in the European Union, and what I'm saying are just my assumptions, right? Or the back test that I show where we operate on Lunavio. Take a look. You go to lunaviotrading.com. Step 1, you register for Lunavio BitUnix MXC. Then step 2, you watch all these tutorials, right? And look at the back test we are conducting. I'll show you the history of the back tests, maybe. The strategy that I created. Take a look at what it's like. I only trade longs. Wait, maybe it will be more visible here. It'll be more visible here. Take a look. I only trade longs. The Bollinger Band has to go out by 3.9% on the 15-minute chart. So look, if we have a 15-minute chart here, for example, these trades don't happen that often, of course. Look, here's the 15-minute chart. So to open along, it would have to... the price here has to go outside the Bollinger Band by 3.9%. So strong drops like this. Oh, something like that. Then a long opens for me. And what? And my take profit is, for example, 3.3%. Here you see I have a take profit of 3.3% and a stop loss of 1.3%. After 2 years, such a simulation was conducted, a back test on a living organism, on real candles, right? On real coins. It showed me that my win rate would be almost 50%. So one would be a loss, one a win, one a loss, one a win. But the wins are what? More than twice as big as the losses, right? For example, I lose $130. Look, I lose $130 and I make $330. So look, for example, if there were 200 trades like this and 200 trades like that, because in total there were 477. Wait, let's do this differently. Here's a win, here's a loss. So let's put this in dollars. Here's a win, a loss. Here's the number of trades. Trade. How was it here? Okay, so there were 235 wins, losses, and 235 were losses. Wait, let's just put the number here. So it's the same thing. And here is a minus. Here we lose minus $130. So look now, how much of a loss I would have. I would have 30,000 in losses and 70,000 in profits. What's the sum of that? The sum is that it's 47,000 net. $47,000 in profit, but minus commissions, it came out to about 42,600. 42,600 after 2 years. So monthly, it would be a monthly average. It's just the trades aren't played every day. Sometimes they aren't played for a month. The monthly average is $1,700, and that's it. Something like that. Gentlemen, is that okay? In my opinion, that's a good result. And the most important thing is that it's being executed automatically, right? So whatever we set up here, whatever we plan, look, here I have settings, my coins. I'm opening this. I'm playing for $20,000. So I have $80,000 in profit there after 2 years, which is $3,300 in profit per month, right? Much more. But the important thing is that whatever we set up here, that's how the system will play it out for us. That is exactly the advantage of Lunavio. That's why, gentlemen, if you want to test it out, run back tests. Once again, the link is in the description, lunaviotrading.com. And here you have the Lunavio platform. You can run these back tests yourselves. It shows here how to run a back test, right? And where's the how here? Oh, back test your strategy on Lunavio? This is an instructional video here. And that's it. Gentlemen, that's it for today. I'm waiting here for prices to drop so I can make money on these shorts, if they do drop. If not, well, I'll lose, or I'll get stopped out somewhere, or I'll lose a bit of money. All right, that's it. Take care. See you. Bye.